Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Friday, February 10th at the close of New York here. Let's get right into it with micro oil. So we opened gap up from the close from yesterday, which was right there. Had initial buying, hit that HVA edge, came down, found support, and just fought the edge. Ultimately, the buyers, let me get this cursor out of the way. The buyers overtook that, fought that edge yet again. So another potential entry for our students to see if they have taken it or not. Ultimately, they just drove it up higher, came back down, and hit it as support once it broke. So we are finishing net positive in oil. As far as gold goes, gold opened pretty much just below that close, which was around here. Struggled for a little bit, got it, and then came back down and just fought this contract low or HVA edge remainder of the day, making some new contract lows. Ultimately, yes, it did finish net down, but it wasn't really much of a change for the day's end there. As far as our equities go, well, it was a Friday. Let's just put it that way. So we did open slightly gap down in the ES. That range low was right there. Had penetration into it. And then we did have some climbing to do, but ultimately that initial move up got shot down. They kept trying. Monster potential entry there for our students. They did make new lows, finally got to their close, and then after that, it was anyone's game, and it just went sideways, just paying fences. You can see they stayed inside of that range for a very long time. It wasn't until just recently that they made new highs, and that took all day. Similar story in the NASDAQ. If I just scroll back here for you. Opening gap down a little bit farther than we did in the ES. Hit that edge, fought it. Ultimately, the buyers overtook it. And then it came down, tested the lows, made new lows. And then you can see it's just a bigger fence that they were painting in essence. But again, they just stayed around this area for a very long time. With the exception that the NASDAQ did make some new lows as opposed to the ES, barely making any new lows. But ultimately just to come back to where we were for the most part of the day right here. So with that being said, we are finishing net positive in the ES slightly and net negative in the NASDAQ as we never got to that close from yesterday. If you are interested in learning more about these levels that are on the charts right now, they're these tannish HVAs, high volume areas that we have our methodology based around. Feel free to reach out to us. They are drawn the night before so that you can have them on your charts that evening, ready to go if you trade in the overnight, pre-market, or if you're just a general pit trader, they're ready for you the night before the next day's trading session. So feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with us there. Consultant will gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.